Welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to easily unsubscribe from all emails in the Expedia mobile app. If you want to reduce unwanted messages from Expedia, this quick tutorial will guide you through the necessary steps in just a minute. Let's get started. Open the Expedia mobile app on your device. Tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner. Then, scroll through your account settings until you find the Communications option and click on it. After that, select Expedia from the list of communication sources. Now scroll down until you see the Manage Email Preferences option and tap on it. Finally, scroll down once more until you find the Unsubscribe from All toggle and turn it on. Finally, scroll down again and click on the Update Preferences button to save your changes. That's it. You will no longer receive promotional emails from Expedia. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tech tips. See you in the next video.